Thanks for tuning in to Airstream Wheeler. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps our channel. Today I'm reblacking or refinishing the plastic pieces on the new to us Tundra. When you're doing long projects like I am with Dreamboat, this kind of instant gratification project can sometimes help you feel like you're making progress somewhere.
I guess we'll have to see. It looks better. I don't know if it'll last. I got the really tiny bottle because I don't want to store it. I'm just not sure if it's enough to do all of it. So we'll see how far I get and if I have to buy another one. I just don't want to be storing like dye and stuff. It says it'll wipe off the truck finish too. So if I, like under here where they get on the paint, I've put a coat of the re-blacking surface on here. We've just gone on a trip, so it is dusty and dirty, and I'm at a car wash and I'm gonna get it cleaned up. But it was about a month ago, and the plastics used to look faded because I haven't done this piece yet, so it looked like faded and sort of white. But I did do these, and you can tell that they're darker, even though they're really dark. My plan is to clean the truck after our trip and really see how this stuff holds up after 30 days in the sun and on the road. Did you come a little closer?
No. A lot of bug guts, isn't it?
Life on the road. Gorgeous vistas and bug guts.
1,000 miles worth of bug guts?
That's probably adequate.
Even wet, you can actually see the gray
On here.
Well, it's actually a little unfair because this is in different light. You can just see the richness of the blacking, even though it's not dry or in the bright sunlight. But we'll get another shot of what that looks like all dried off compared to the part that hasn't been done yet. Yeah, for a quick cosmetic upgrade, some instant gratification. Not everything can be a capital project that takes forever. I'm happy with that.